One thing we don't want is we do not want the model to be perceived as another program. We want it to enhance and strengthen what they're already doing, because most organizations already have, many systems in place. They're already producing a service or a product or something. So they've gone through years already of building what they currently have in place. So we want to make that stronger, right? So we don't want it to be perceived as, oh, now we have this program, right? Because programs, by the sheer nature of what programs are, usually end. And this should never end, right? So it's really important actually that an organization does internalize it into their own organization and make it theirs.